How to unlink two or more Instagram accounts that are linked to your Instagram application. So if you go to your profile and click on your Instagram username on the top here, which has a drop down, and it should bring up this list, which might have one or more or potentially many accounts currently linked to Instagram that you can sign into any one of them. To unlink them, you should simply go back to your profile and then click on the three horizontal lines. Now click on Accounts Center and then scroll down and click on Manage Accounts. And in here, you should find all the accounts that are currently linked. And to unlink an account, you should simply click on the Move button next to it and then click on Continue to Move. Click on Continue and then click on Yes, Finish Moving. And now your account should be unlinked and move it to its own account center and account manager. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful and see you on the next one.